Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of homemade dorayaki. Let's jump right in. First, take a bowl and whisk together eggs, sugar, honey, and baking powder until it's nicely combined. Now, fold in the flour and give it a good mix. Next, add some water to the mixture and stir until it's perfectly smooth. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it sit for a relaxing 15 minutes. Now, using a spoon, pour the batter onto an electric griddle in just the right portions. Cook both sides until they're beautifully done. Once they are ready, remove them from the griddle. Take one piece and generously spread red bean paste all over it. Top it off with another piece, and there you have it. Your delightful dorayaki is ready. Give this recipe a try and tell me what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.